Being able to see everything built from start to finish at one company is such an amazing thing, I think. It speaks volumes to A-dec. It makes me proud to say that I work here. I grew up very hands-on. My grandfather and my father were both, they're woodworkers, they were metal workers, and I learned very early on that I enjoyed that part of it. I enjoyed being able to hold something at the end of the day and know what I had accomplished. While I was at school for machining, I was introduced to A-dec. I instantly fell in love with A-dec. Their care for their employees, just how the company is run, the friendliness of everybody is very welcoming, opening. Their encouragement to learn new things. If you had an interest, they pushed you to it. And so that ability and A-dec's support in that has been amazing. It really showed me that A-dec was the company I wanted to build my career with. We are not solely focused on how fast we can do things, but how well we can do things. We want our products to last forever. We want our dentists, we want their customers, we want our employees, we want everyone to be proud that they support the A-dec name. I don't really think you'll find the opportunities anywhere else like you do at A-dec. Like I said, it's truly a great company to work for and to really establish your career. A-dec has been it's been a wonderful company to work for. Like I said, I have an hour commute one way, but at the same time, I don't ever see myself leaving A-dec. Like, this is where I want to stay for the future of my career.